Hey, I want to thank this brand for sending this to me. This is how it comes, and these are 4 different size baskets. These are going to be great to store lids or sponges under the sink, makeup, things like that. So it can go on 2 different ways. It's got holes and it comes with a pack of screws, but if you don't want to drill into anything, then you just peel the back off of this and you stick it like that, and then the basket is going to sit down in there. So that's great because you can remove it if you need to. It's going to hold it in place and it's going to store all of those loose ends that you don't know what to do with. Let me show you. So we have a farmhouse style sink and a water system under our kitchen sink. So there's not a lot of room. And as you can see, this stuff over here especially just gets thrown in. So what I did is I tested which one will work when I shut this to make sure there's enough room for it. Use the biggest one to see if it can hold everything. So I'm just gonna peel this off. These things work too because I have something similar to hold lids for my pots and pans, and they've never come off. They hold it really well in place. Now all that stuff gets sorted. I have even more room in here. I'm gonna use the rest of these in my bathroom, but I think this is a fantastic idea to keep things organized. There are just so many different uses for these. They're nice and sturdy. They're not flimsy at all. I think they look good too. You could even put them out, but I like that there's different sizes too to make sure you can use them where you need so that you have room. I think these are great.